Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Lexus GS 350 step by step. Begin by gathering the correct oil grade, OEM filter, wrench, drain pan, and jack stands. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and raise the vehicle securely on stands. Warm the engine for a few minutes to thin the oil, then turn it off. Lay down protective cardboard and position the drain pan under the oil pan to catch used oil. Start by removing the oil filler cap to prevent vacuum and speed draining. Carefully loosen the drain plug with the correct socket while positioning the pan to catch oil. Allow the oil to drain until it slows to occasional drips, then reinstall the drain plug and torque to OEM specifications. Replace the oil filter next, being careful to remove any old gasket residue from the mounting surface for a proper seal. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading manuals and car guides conveniently while working on a project. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if interested. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. After installing the new oil filter and securing the drain plug, refill the engine with the specified oil grade and capacity using a funnel to avoid spills. Start the engine and let it run for a minute while checking under the car for leaks around the filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick and add oil as needed to reach the proper mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.